To replace the mulch cover on your Troy-Bilt lawn mower, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a 3/8-inch socket, and pliers. If still intact, lift up the mulch cover and use the flathead screwdriver to prop it open. Use the 3/8-inch socket to unthread the mounting screw to release the old cover. When installing the new mulch cover, we recommend using a new self-tapping mounting screw. Use the pliers to lift the cover's hinge bracket and insert the screwdriver to prop the bracket open. This will make it easier to thread the self-tapping screw. Position the new cover on the deck, making sure the tabs on the hinge bracket align with the indentations in the deck. Thread and tighten the screw to secure. This may require some effort. Remove the screwdriver and confirm that the new mulch cover opens and closes properly.